Okay, I'm in New York City, just left the Port Authority. I'm heading towards Hudson Yards, not directly to Hudson Yards, just a few blocks away. It's about about a 10-15 minute walk. I'm filming with a GoPro Hero 13. The audio is being recorded by a DJI Mic 3. We'll be walking by the construction area of the new staging area of the Port Authority. If you're not aware, if you're not local to the area, the Port Authority bus terminal is going through a major transformation. The plan is they're building a staging area for all the buses. Once that is completed, they're going to knock down the existing Port Authority bus terminal and redevelop that to a new terminal, I think shopping, maybe hotel as well. So I believe the staging area will be ready, I think, in 3 years. But things are always get delayed around New York. So I think, like I said, so then the staging area will be completed, but then, like I said, the real work begins. Like I said, I think the end date for everything, I want to say, is like in 10 years. So it's a very extensive process. So you see over there, there's a dispensary. Marijuana is legal in New York for a few years now, and you see quite a few dispensaries. I mean, I know when they first got legalized, I think in Manhattan there's maybe only 2 or 3 dispensaries. Now every couple blocks you'll see one. So here is the construction on the staging area. Like I said, it's pretty vast. Here's a QR stamp if you want to learn more about it. Yeah, it's a very exciting. I mean, it's like I said, it's going to probably 10 years. So like I said, this is just the staging area. Yeah, there's some renderings. and I'm actually heading towards a cafe called Enoch's. They have they have art shows from time to time, and I had a couple pieces of art I had in there. It was like nothing elaborate, some just large stickers, but I'm going to pick that up. So that's been on display for a month now, and I'm picking that up today. Yeah, this is going to be a short video. The cafe is right across the street. And here we are, it's Enoch's. Alright, I'm going to cut this video and then catch you on the next one.